guys, it's Amanda. And one of the most frustrating things when I'm outsourcing, whether doing retail arbitrage or online arbitrage, is trying to remember where I purchased the item from, how much I purchased it for, and the list price. This all comes into account when I'm trying to add the item into my Walmart catalog. So I'm going to show you how I use WAMP to make sure I'm staying organized and really make sure I get everything as accurate as possible. If you could please do all the YouTube things, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you are interested in WAMP, it is a 14-day free trial to try it out. I absolutely love it. There are so many amazing features, and I would love for you to give it a try because I know you'll like it, especially when it comes to sourcing for Walmart. Grab the link below and you can sign up for a 14-day free trial. As I'm sourcing, there are many things that I use to track within WAMP, and that can be from the product name, the UPC, cost, selling price, estimated profit, and as well as the supplier where I purchased it from, as well as the date and the status. Sometimes I do add this status in there to see if I've added it to my Walmart catalog. When I am sourcing through Walmart, there are so many things that I look for. First off, I want to hit a percentage of ROI of at least 30%. And as you can see with this Lego item, I purchased it for $34.99 and I would like to sell it for $59.95. And this is a great profit and a great margin, so I'm definitely going to export this into a Google Sheet. And that way when I am ready to add them into my catalog, I can add in all of my items all at once. So let's go over to the Google Sheet and see how it populates on over. You can see the UPC, product name, and everything else that I have listed. To change your settings for your Google Sheets, in WAMP, you can click this little blue icon right here for your profile, click on Sheets and Setup. And in this section, this is where you're able to add multiple sheets depending on your tier. The lowest tier, you get one sheet and then it goes up from there. But I have an RA sheet. This is where I buy from different places such as Ross, TJ Maxx. And then my Walmart buys is strictly from Walmart. So I will go ahead and edit my Walmart buys. And there are so many options that you can choose from. But first you can title it right here. And then the Google name right here. This is uneditable. But this will go to where you have your login connected to that Google email. And so these are the settings that I currently have. And there are many options you can choose from. You can choose the category. You can also add in the UPC and the EAN barcode. I also use this one a lot. So I am going to add that in. So I'm going to choose the UPC barcode. And let's say I want this as the second or third option. I'm able to toggle it up. And sometimes, there we go. Just got to keep moving it up to where I like it. Let's see here. And I do like it third, so I'm going to do the product name, Walmart URL, UPC barcode, and then cost of goods, the sale price, ROI, and then I'm going to, you can add more if you would like just by clicking add, but I like just having these options, and then I will test and write the headers. Perfect. And that way now it is all set up. So now when I go into WAMP, I will have multiple sheets available. As you can see, I have my RA sheet and then my Walmart buys. And this is how I'm able to export all this information into these Google Sheets. Using WAMP's Google Sheet is seriously one of my favorite features of WAMP because it makes things so much easier and I stay organized. Plus, it is a running tally of everything that I've done, so I can always go back and see if I can resource another item. Just having this Google Sheet is such a game changer for my business because staying organized just saves so much time. If you are interested, WAMP now has a Discord server. So if you do have Discord and would like to be part of the Discord, please check out the link below. It's completely free and it's where you get all the updates, any help, support, and also some sourcing tips. And I will see you guys in the next one.